How data pipelines help us understand the world. Imagine you want to bake a cake. You'd need to follow a series of steps: gathering ingredients, mixing them, baking the batter, and decorating the cake. Each step relies on the successful completion of the previous one. This process helps you transform simple ingredients into a delicious creation. In the world of computer science, data pipelines work in much the same way to help turn raw information into meaningful insights. A data pipeline is like a super helpful assembly line. It moves data from one place to another, cleaning and organizing it along the way to make sure it's ready and useful. If computers had grocery bags filled with unorganized bits of information, data pipelines would be the superheroes turning those messy bags into neat rows of ingredients needed to solve real-world problems. Let's break down this process and see how it all comes together to make our world better. Step 1. Collecting data. The first job of a data pipeline is to gather data from various sources. Imagine you have a giant net catching raindrops. Those raindrops are like little bits of information coming from websites, sensors, apps, and every corner of the internet. Each piece of data is captured and funneled into the pipeline. Step 2. Transporting data. Next, the data hops onto a train, traveling along a pathway to a central location. During this trip, it moves through super-fast digital tracks that keep it on course. These tracks ensure the data doesn't get lost and arrives safely at its next destination. Step 3. Filtering and cleaning. Imagine trying to drink a smoothie made with everything that comes out of your fridge without checking what's inside. You'd end up with something strange. Similarly, data pipelines sort and clean the data, keeping only useful and reliable information. This step is like a magical sieve that keeps out mistakes and extra bits no one needs. Step 4. Processing data. Now that the data is spick and span, it's time for the real magic: processing. Just like a baker whisking the batter, computers process data to discover patterns and insights that were hidden. This step helps scientists, businesses, and engineers understand what the data really means and what stories it can tell. Step 5. Storing data. Once the data is nicely processed, it needs a safe place to rest. It's kept in huge digital libraries, much like stories in a big, cozy library. Here, data is available anytime someone needs to read up on its secrets or use it for a new project. Step 6. Using data. Finally, the polished data is ready for use. Whether it's helping meteorologists predict the weather, aiding doctors in diagnosing illnesses, or engineers building smart cities, the data is there to provide valuable insights and solutions. Data pipelines may be unseen, but without them, we wouldn't be able to understand or manage the vast ocean of information our world generates every day. Just like creating a cake, every step is necessary to transform raw elements into something fabulous and functional, helping us make better decisions and understanding our world with the clarity we need.